Hey there! So, you're thinking about diving into freelancing, huh? Let me tell you, it's one of the most rewarding decisions you can make. Imagine working from the comfort of your own home, setting your own hours, and choosing projects you're passionate about. Sounds dreamy, right? First things first, identify your skills. Are you a wizard with words, a graphic design guru, or a coding genius? Write it down. The clearer you are about what you can offer, the easier it is to find clients. Next, build a killer portfolio. Even if you're just starting out, create samples of your work. No one wants to hire a ghost. Show them what you're made of. Now let's talk platforms. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are gold mines for finding gigs. But remember, competition is fierce. Stand out by crafting a standout profile. Include a professional photo, a compelling bio, and of course those stellar samples. Networking is crucial. Join online communities, attend webinars, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients directly. The more connections you make, the more opportunities will come your way. Lastly, set your rates confidently. Research what others in your field are charging and don't undersell yourself. Your time and skills are valuable. So, there you have it. Freelancing has its challenges, but with dedication and a bit of strategy, you can absolutely earn big bucks from home. Ready to take the plunge? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on crushing the freelance game. See you next time.